How to highlight text in CapCut. Let's get into it. Select text in the top left and default text. Next, we just want to put in a few dashes into our text box. And then we want to come down until we see character and decrease the value of this until the dashes are connected. Once that's done, we can give it the highlighter color that we want, and then move the line over to where you want to highlight your text. Next, scroll down until you see scale and uncheck uniform scale, and change the scale height and width to match the area of text that you would like to highlight. You may need to make a few tweaks here or there to position it correctly. Once you're happy with the positioning, come up to animation and select wipe right, and then change the duration of this animation so that it's suitable for your project. Next, right-click this new text layer and select Create Compound Clip. Then we need to come up to Video and then select Blend and then change the mode to Multiply. And that's all there is to it.